You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. For more confusing names from Jujutsu Kaisen character names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. More anime, manga, Japanese pronunciation here. Shinobu Kocho. Shinobu Kocho. Now in English, you can simply say it as Shinobu Kocho. Shinobu Kocho. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.